am I not a public adjuster guy? I'm not an appraisal guy. I'm not an AOB guy. I'm not an AOC guy. So I love all of you guys that are using. I still love you. I'm not knocking you. Use your AOBs and AOCs. I've had clients that have the AOCs and the AOBs on every client, and I just tell them, just keep that in the folder unless we need it. That's what I tell them, because I don't want to use it. Because everything I do is not policy coverage, so I don't need it. Here's the other thing is that, back to that time frame on the public adjusters and appraisals, we're talking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, typically. The reasons why I reside in this area, with just no policy coverage, hardcore documentation, building codes, right, is the time frame. So my process typically takes 10 to 14 business days, cradle to the grave, start to finish. That's my process, right? It's because as soon as you start talking about public adjuster, appraisal, AOB, AOC, delay, deny, defend. That's the mode the insurance company goes into, based on my experience.